What's good, y'all? This your boy DCPRT. I'm gonna make this video. I think it's very important because most traders don't talk about it. On why traders lose money. Most traders lose money, but the reason is, I think, because they don't understand the process of trading, as far as experience and just how to be profitable throughout the process of you learning how to trade. So most traders just quit because they say it's too hard or I'm losing too much money, but they don't understand it's a process, with this. So I'm going to touch on that, and let's get into it. So first, I like to use the college analogy. I always use that when I talk to people when they struggling, things like that, and I tell them, think of it as college. It's 4 years. When you first go to college, the first year you don't know nothing. Your major, you don't know nothing. You got to go through school. You got to take all these classes to get to where you need to be. And 9 times out of 10, it takes 4 years, 6 years, 2 years, whatever you're doing. It's a process. You just don't get your degree the first day you step in, right? So it's just like trading. You don't make money the first day you start trading. Give yourself at least 2, 3, 4 years. Some learn earlier than that, like 6 months, 3 months. Some catch on earlier than others, and that's based off personality. I tell people that too. I'm gonna break all that stuff down, but as far as the college analogy, give yourself 4 years. A lot of traders trade the first week and they quit. So that's another statistic of a trader failing, but they don't break down why they failed. They fail because they just quit. The only way you fail is you quit, right? They don't explain why they quit or failed or whatever like that. So I think a lot of traders just stop week 1, week 2, but don't understand the whole process, man. You gotta learn. Your losses are your teachers. When you lose, you are being taught every time when you lose, not to do that again, not to do that again. And that takes time sometimes, it takes time. And you got to stay in the game. You just got to stay in the game because you got to learn it. And like I said, give yourself 4 years, 3 years, to learn. A lot of people not willing to go that far because they don't waste all their money or they keep putting money in. But that's the process of trading, man. It's not easy. Trading is not easy. And it's like the strongest survive. Only the strongest survive. So all the millionaire traders, all the successful traders, they've been through it the same way how a newbie trader is going through it. It took them 2, 3, 4 years, but they all understood the process of trading, though. It takes time for you to learn this stuff. And then once you learn this stuff, you will be profitable. It's really that simple. Now, trading is not for everybody. Some people may not just get it, but that's why I say, give yourself 4 years. Your first year, you're a freshman. Your second year, you're a sophomore. Third year, you're a junior. Fourth year, you're a senior, and act like you're graduating. If you still don't get it, I don't know, keep pushing, or, maybe it's just not for you, but give yourself time to learn. Get with somebody that know what they're doing. Like when I first started, I didn't have nobody. I subscribed to a couple, services and stuff like that. It helped me with the fundamentals, and stuff like that. But I ended up learning the hard way. I jumped in, didn't use a simulator or nothing like that. I just jumped in head first. For me, I feel like that's the best way. Now, other people may be different. It may be different. So it depends on your personality, on how you are. Some people are more hard-headed than others. If you're hard-headed, it's going to take you longer. If you're not hard-headed, like if you get a popping, if you were little and somebody popped you for doing something bad and you learned the first time, you're probably going to learn faster than the guy that's more stubborn and it takes him 10 whippings or poppings, whatever, discipline, to learn not to do that. You know, it just, it's crazy to think of that, but that's how it works. You know, I'm not gonna lie, I was very stubborn. It took me longer. It took me like 2 or 3 years before I was profitable. It just took me longer. I was stubborn. You know, I thought I knew everything, but I understood the process. No, I understood the process, and I seen what's the word? I seen myself getting better though. Throughout the struggles, I seen myself getting a little better and better and better. So I knew eventually I was gonna be profitable. That's why most traders fail. They just quit the first week, but they don't explain the process. You know, your ego, personality. Like I said, I touched on that. Your ego, you gotta check it sometimes, man. You gotta humble yourself when trading. If you don't know nothing or know something, you gotta ask questions. You know, join a trading community with a trader that knows what they're talking about. You know, also think the opposite. You know, if you see a stock just going straight up, is it probably not a good buy. But by us being human, when we see something go up, we want to buy it. That's what I did. Anything that went up, I bought it. When you most likely should have shorted it. Or if you see a stock tanking, that's where you need to buy it instead of shorting it. It's called chasing, you know. And most traders gonna chase because they react to what they see instead of being logical on how the stock market works. And that's how most traders fail too, because they're brand new. They're just being human. Normally when you see a stock go up and keep going up, you're gonna buy it because you think it's gonna keep going up. You know what I'm saying? Instead of saying, okay, let me wait for the pullback and then buy it, then it moves higher. No, when you see it like this, you're gonna buy it, and then when it finally pulls back, you're scared now. Now you get it out, take a loss, and now the stock is going back up. But you don't know that. You gotta learn all that stuff. New traders don't know that. You just react off what you see, and that's what I used to do. Just react. It's normal. I mean, it's normal, you know. But that's the thing you gotta learn when you first started trading. The size of your account doesn't matter. So you can have $100,000 in your account, or you can have $1,000 in your account. It doesn't matter. Because if you don't know how to trade, you're gonna lose all that anyways. If you know how to trade, you can have $1,000. You can build that up to $100,000. But if you don't know how to trade, what's good in having $100,000 in your account when you're probably gonna blow that? So you might as well just start small. I advise any new trader to start small. That way you can pretty much save your money. But when you finally get it and learn it, you're gonna grow that small account. You're gonna grow it, you know. So it keeps yourself safe from, you know, blowing a lot of money. So I advise new traders to start off small, $1,000, $2,000, or whatever like that. Yes, we all trying to make money, but you gotta be smart with it too. You know, you gotta learn this stuff. You gotta learn this stuff, man. Don't let the big profits fool you, like all these gurus that be on YouTube, or just seeing traders just make big money. Don't be fooled by that. I'm saying, like, their profits are real, most of them, but what I'm saying is, as far as you, don't be fooled by the big gainers, because you are trying to match that trader. Don't do that. Trade at your own pace. That's what I'm saying. Don't try to match another trader's profits. So, for example, if you see somebody make $100,000, right? Don't go all in 50,000 shares trying to match that trader. Trade what you can trade. You know what I'm saying? And make sense of it. Don't follow another trader's profits trying to match them, because they make big money. It may not work for you. You know, maybe you need to start off small with a starter or something like that. That's what I mean by that. I'm not attacking nobody. I'm saying don't be fooled by the big gainers as far as trying to match those profits, because it can get you in trouble. You know what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying. And that's how a lot of traders fail too, because they trying to rush and make big money like those traders, but they don't understand they've been through the whole process. It's been years of trading for them. They finally getting everything now, you know. So you gotta go through that process too. Start off small, build yourself up to that. Don't just start going all in, trying to make $100,000 your first week of trading, you're gonna most likely blow your account. That's it. Pretty much gonna happen. So don't let that fool you. Move at your own pace. Trading alone may take you longer, like it did me. Like I did sign up for a service before, learning the basics. But I started learning my own strategy, and it worked out. But you do need to join a legit service with a community, you know, because you will learn faster. Trading alone, trying to do everything by yourself, it works, but it will take longer, probably. But getting with somebody, it can help you out, you know. It can help you out, especially with the right trader, you know. It can cut your learning curve in half, especially if they know what they're doing and they teach you the ins and outs as far as losing, winning, sizing in properly, trading the right stocks, the scanners, what you need to watch for, all that, man. Simple strategies, nothing all complex, you know. Stuff like that for new traders, they need to know, and it will pretty much kind of save you from failing. And like what I'm doing right now, teaching you the process of it. Once you understand the process of it, you will understand why you're losing money. And once you understand why you're losing money, you're probably gonna be successful in the future because you understand the process of it. Like I said, use the college analogy. You understand why you're losing money. Okay, I'm losing money because I'm new. I know this part of the game. Once I get everything, then I will be profitable. Once you think like that, you're good. But if you're trading by yourself and you're losing money, you're gonna think like, it's not for me. When it may be for you, but you don't know because you're not giving yourself time to learn. You know, that's all it is. Yeah, a lot of new traders, they don't see like the grind, the years, the blood, sweat, and tears of all of the successful traders. They just see the outcome of it. But I mean, we been through the same shit as y'all. You know, if you're a new trader looking at this, we've been through the same thing, man. Everybody's gonna go through it. I mean, there's no way of getting around it. You got to learn it. Any other profession, you got to learn first before you perfect it. It's anything. Plumbing, roofing, computer science, you know, anything. You got to learn it. You're just not going to hop in and just know automatically what to do. You know, it applies to everything in society, you know what I'm saying? As far as working, doing anything, you got to learn it first. And that's just how trading goes, you know. People see trading in a different way, but it's the same thing. It's the same as that thing. You got to learn before you get the reward, you know. You're just not going to get the reward before you learn. It's not going to happen. But traders, some traders see it that way because they get blinded by all the big profits the big traders doing, but they don't understand the grind that the big traders went through to get to that point. And you gotta do the same thing too. It's just that simple. So I think I covered everything. I may be forgetting some things. If I think of something else, I will make a part 2 on this. I think this is important for people to you know, understand, and I hope this video saves a lot of new traders from quitting, because trading can be a beautiful thing, even though it's rough in the beginning, but that's the process. Only the strong survive, you know, and everybody that survived are big traders now. I mean, it's just that simple. Only the strong survive. The weak traders quit and they pout and they get mad. The strong traders that understand, stay with it, be profitable, and then they're good. It's kind of that simple as far as that goes. And like I said, I hope this video can save a lot of new traders and understand it's a process. You're not gonna learn it overnight. Yeah, pretty much all I have for this video. I hope it's valuable. If you like this video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what you think. on how I broke it down, because a lot of traders don't cover this type of topic. You know, they don't talk about this a lot. But I figured this is important because this is why the percentage is very high of fail. You know, I don't see fail as traders that don't know what they're doing. I see fail as they just quit. They just quit because they don't understand the process of it. And yeah, that's basically it. And if y'all got any more ideas, man, I can go over that, make a video over it. Just let me know in the comments. And I'm gone, man. This your boy DCPRT. Y'all trade safe and have a good day. Peace.